Hello and welcome back to channel T-Lover. As you all know that we are making video regarding how to get a free domain and hosting for your website, how to get a free traffic on your website, how to get a free YouTube views, subscriber and watch hour for your YouTube channel, for applying the monetization process. Also, we offer a lot of tricks and solutions for the ads and errors for your website and monetization process of your YouTube channel. So if you have any confusion regarding this, then you can directly contact me through T-Lover2050 in the Instagram, and also I have kept other medium in my blog. So I'll provide this blog link in the description below that you can contact me through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or WhatsApp also. And if you are a new viewer and you haven't subscribed the channel, then please make a subscription on our channel, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon for our latest update. Without wasting our time, today we are here to provide you a free premium domain for your website. So if you are planning to make a website and earn some digital currency and you do not have budget to get the domain, then this video is very helpful for you. So in this video I'll provide you a free premium domain for you, and that's our .xyz, .design, .ink and .wiki. So these 4 premium domain are provided without paying any amount. That means you are getting this domain totally free. To get this domain, please follow the full video so that you won't miss anything and you can get this domain for your website. So after getting that domain, you need hosting, and if you need hosting, then there are a lot of video regarding this hosting in my channel. And also if you need traffic for the website, then you can visit my videos on my channel. Without wasting our time, let's move. For that, first of all, you need a browser. You may choose any browser. Here I am using a Chrome. Here you have to enter this website. This is the website, go for it. So this is the website from where you can get the free premium domain over here. I have already told you that you can get 4 premium domains, and that are .ink, .design, .wiki. So first of all, we will go for .xyz. So I am keeping as a T-Lover official, and its extension is .xyz, which is free one. So let's search for this. So here you can see that our domain is tloverofficial.xyz. it is available, and first year sale it is giving at $2 per year. But in this video I'll show you how to get this domain for free. So for that, just go for the ad. Your domain will be added in the cart, so where you can see the $2.04 in the cart. So just go for the checkout option. So here in this checkout option you can see that there is $2.04 and it's renew at $9.92. so it's for 1 year. To get this domain for free, you have to apply a coupon over here. So I'll provide this coupon code for you. So for that coupon code, I have provided here for the coupon code. These are the coupon code for this respective domain. So select your coupon code for your domain. So here I have the domain name as a .xyz. So I'll just keep the domain code as a xyz free 22. Copy this coupon code and paste over here. Also, I'll provide this coupon code in the video description. You can check this coupon code from there also. So after that, just you have to go for the update cart, and finally you can see that the tloverofficial.xyz is free over here. As you see that this is the free, and you can see that the cart is $0. Okay, so here also you can see that $0. So we can continue this thing. So if you have account, then you can log in over here, but we do not have any account, then we'll go for the create an account. So we'll create our username and password. Here you have to fill the information of your own also. So just scroll down, and here is all the detail you have to fill over here. Here are the detail which you have to fill over here. Just fill this detail, and after filling this detail, you have to go for the create account. But before that, I want to tell you that do not use any fake account, because if you use the fake account, then they will not approve your domain over here. Okay, so just scroll down. Now you have to agree the term and service, and also in the down you have to can see that as send me the awesome email. So you have to click over here, because you are getting the free domain, means that you have to allow them to send some email over in your mail. So just go for the create an account. So after creating your account, you can see the free over here and $0 over here. And also you can find that hidden fee are also known for this domain. It means that you are getting this domain totally free. Okay, so we have done this for XYZ. Now we'll go for the design also and ink also. So we'll just try for this design one. So this is the promo code. Again we'll go for the domain search, and here we will search the domain T-Lover official. Here we have got our domain over here available, and it's for the first year sale, and it's $5.64 per year. So we'll add this on the cart, and we'll go for the checkout again. As we have got this domain and it's $5.64, we can go for the coupon code. This is the coupon code for the design. You can copy this and you can apply this coupon code over here. So I'm just not going for this one, so I'll only take the .xyz domain from here. Okay, so just cancel this one. So I don't need this one domain, I'll cancel it. and we have this free domain over here .xyz. You can get the free domain for the .wiki, .ink, .design and .xyz also. Now you have to go for the continue to billing, and here you need to add a card information over here. So if you do not have a card, then you can go further. So you need a card to approve this domain, and there is no charge for your order. Okay, so you have to choose your method of your payment. So you need the card to approve this domain. Just go for the new card, and you have to check this, you must agree, and you just click for the new card. You have to go for the continue with the credit card. You can see that $0 on the checkout option. So you can pay this with the card. Here you have to pay with this card, and you can use any card over here, Visa, Master or American Express over here. So you need to fill the card information over here. I am skipping this part. I do not want to share this information with you. So in this way you can get the free domains for your, and if you need domain and traffic for your website, then there are a lot of videos in my channel, you can check out from there. And if you need more promo code like this, then you can directly contact me through tlover2054 in the Instagram, so that I can provide you a promo code for getting these domains for the free. If you like this video, then please hit the like, and also do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for our latest update. Thanks for watching this video. Till our official channel, like, share and subscribe will value your support. Thank you.